Welcome to a quick introduction to DigitWeb, which is a mobile app that can be loaded onto any Android or iOS device. You can find the app in your relevant Play Store. Use your username and password to log in that has been provided to you, and the app will immediately toggle to a map view with your vehicles on it. We've obviously, from our tabs at the bottom, we've got our home page, we've got vehicles, info, messages, alarms, trips, as well as services that you can navigate to. On the top left hand side, you've got a button that's all. If you press all, the map will by default open up into a wide view where you can see all of your vehicles on one singular page. The very next tab, we can switch between normal map view and satellite view. The very next tab is full screen, where we can view our fleet on one full screen. And the very next button is a navigation button if you wanted to navigate to a particular vehicle or share that particular location. Very next is what is your current GPS location. If you click on that, it will show you where you are and where your relevant vehicles are. The very next feature I'd like to show you is alarms. I'm going to toggle to the tab at the bottom right hand side of the screen and select alarms, and you'll notice there's a range of alarms that you can activate on your relevant vehicles, which will give you pop-up notifications and show in the message box. If you wanted to see any history, it would look like that. And for example, in this case, I tested a panic button, and it shows me, if I select the alarm, exactly the alarm information as well as where that alarm took place. It will highlight and show me. I'm going to quickly toggle back and show you one of the quick next features. So if you want to toggle back on the Mac, top left of the screen, you'll see an arrow that you can toggle back to. Now I'm going to select trips, and I can select any particular date. In this case, I'm going to select the 9th, and it shows me a range of trips that took place for that particular day. If I wanted to see a particular trip, I can, for example, select the trip, and it will display it on the map for me. Exactly what the departure point was, and address, as well as the arrival point. So that is some quick information that you can use to get used to and enjoy the DigitFMS app to track your fleet, see exactly where they are in real-time environment, any notifications, any alarms, as well as trip information. Last but not least, I'm going to toggle to the services button, bottom. If you scroll it to the left, and we can see we can send an SOS, we can request recovery on our vehicle, as well as ask the control room to contact you, or book a Digit call out should you require any repairs, maintenance, or a new installation on your vehicle. That is a quick introduction to the DigitWeb app. We look forward to seeing you in the next one.